Okay, this is Rut. I got her because she was the one that had the most feathers missing. I guess I'm just weird like that. But she's not really friendly, like she runs from you. And like, this is the most she'll move before she just lays down. I had to quarantine her because I've got too many birds that are getting sick. This is the end of day 1. Those are eggs. We thought maybe she was going Brody, and that's why she was so, like, you know, not wanting to leave the coop, but it's not the case. Yep. End of day 1. Oh, looks like she's gonna walk. Seems like she's fine right now, but tomorrow we'll see a whole different type of bird.